On the stormy evening of Wednesday, July 2nd, our dedicated water crew was dispatched to address a split coupler emergency on a 4-inch main line near Broadway and Zinc Street. Despite the heavy rain and difficult conditions, the team responded quickly and completed the entire repair, from dispatch to closing the ticket, in just under 3 hours. The water pressure from the break was overwhelming, so forceful that it made capturing clear footage nearly impossible. Jets of water sprayed in all directions, soaking the crew and resaturating the work area between brief pauses in the storm. Every step was a challenge in a zone that was already slick and unpredictable. Despite the slick conditions and limited visibility, the crew worked swiftly and with precision. They secured a full-circle clamp over the damaged coupler, a strong, reliable solution executed under intense pressure. Because the break occurred on private property, the team also took care to backfill the hole, ensuring the area was safe and stable before wrapping up the job. It didn't take long. These professionals train for moments like this, working overtime, in frightening weather, to make sure your water keeps flowing.